The next step is to add the SSL support on your WordPress website. Under your WordPress dashboard here, go to Plugins and add New. We're gonna add an SSL plugin. Let's use this plugin, really simple SSL. Click on Install Now, then Activate. You will see this notice here. Go ahead and click on this button. So your SSL certificate is now activated. So to view your website, click on here, Visit Site, and voila. Here you should be able to see HTTPS for your domain name here, and of course with a locked padlock. Click on it and you see the text connection is secure. That's how you install SSL on your WordPress website